Good morning, Kubo. Happy Sunday. So, for today's video, maghahanap tayo ng saging at saka guyabano. We look for some fruits there. So, alin? Yun nga, yung kahapon nandun. Kumuha na ako ng 2 piling. What? Okay. So, merong naggagawa ng tubig. Yun. Nagkano sila ng tubig, yung water pump. So, nagukay. Oh my goodness. So, let's go. There, in the other place of this earth. Hey, Mark! Wow! So, dog fight? Ah, yeah, because Alfonso is coming with us. Oh my goodness.
But his dog coming with him.
Nah.
Nice. Also good man. I'm really happy with this. Perfect quality. Taking calls. I wanted to dip them, not to hold them right away.
Oh. Ito lang naman yung problema dito. Yung daan na to kasi nga yung umulan ng halos 2 linggo, nagka-problema talaga, kaya yun. Ano ako sa cellphone ko kasi naka-dual cam. Maganda pala tong gantong cellphone, Honor. Okay. So, right. Uy, may puso pa ng saging, oh. Puso pa ng saging yan, bagong nakabili dyan ng lupa. Ano? Hindi ko alam kung ilang square meter yung nabili nila dyan. May yaman din eh. Okay, so in that place there is a kubo. Well, let's try to zoom in.
That's the good way I saw with the drone,
Yeah, oh, nice one. Okay, alright, let's go. And maghanap tayo ng puso ng saging dito. And ilagay natin sa sinigang. Right? Ay, sila, nag-ukay sila doon. Oh. May tao din doon eh. Moo! Hey, be careful ha. Be careful with that grass. Ay ko.
I would be careful with that grass.
Ah.
I didn't want to eat it.
Probably that grass. I cannot eat you. Laki na sagingan na to. Alright. Wow.
So hot, man.
Yeah. Very hot. That's why. Some puso I will cook for sinigang later afternoon. Right? Oh, there's a kubo there. I think Kuya Eddie is there. Oh, santol, nalalaglag lang oh. Sus. Agkoy. Buchik. Ah. Nalalaglag lang ang santol oh. Wow. Wow. Wala. Hey!
Boogie!
Boogie! Hey! Boogie!
You can go back in there.
Come here. Subukan natin yung abot ko. Panikit natin. Ilog na ilog na oh. Okay. Oh. Antol. This one. Let's tingnan natin. Wow. Grabe ang tamis. Bangkok eh. Laki oh. Oh. Grabe. Yun. Yes. Puso ng saging. Yun. Puso ng saging at saka santo lang uwi ko. Ayun. Ah? Maya. Oh, may dragon fruit oh. Dragon fruit. Ano dito? Kaya lang malayo talaga sana yun. Maglalakad ka. Pag gusto mong manghingi ka lang. Hindi naman madamot mga tao dito. Hingi ka lang. Kahit saging, hingi ka. Kahit ano. Hindi ba madamot tao dito? Mababait mga tao dito. Kaya skioldo nga na nung kito. Wala dito ah. Yeah. Titingalain mo yun para makita yung ano. Puso ng saging. Buti pa yung saging talaga. May puso. Ay, wala na. Ay, yan. Oo. Buti pa yung puso talaga. May saging. Yung saging walang puso. Este. Oh. Alright. Oh. Thank you. That's enough. Laki nito paro. Pang sigang. Wow.